Welcome to this tutorial on get-command, one of the most fundamental cmdlets in PowerShell. In this video, you will learn how to discover and list all available commands in your PowerShell session. Get-command is an essential tool for exploring what PowerShell can do, helping you find the right cmdlet for any task you need to accomplish. Whether you are just starting with PowerShell or looking to expand your command repertoire, mastering get-command is your first step toward PowerShell proficiency. Get-command is a cmdlet that retrieves all commands available in your current PowerShell session. Think of it as your discovery tool for finding cmdlets, functions, aliases, and even external programs that you can run. When you are working in PowerShell and need to know what commands are at your disposal, get-command is the go-to solution. It acts like a catalog or directory of everything you can execute, making it invaluable for both learning and day-to-day scripting tasks. The most basic way to use get-command is simply to type get-command without any parameters. When you run this command by itself, PowerShell will display a complete list of all available commands in your current session. This includes cmdlets, functions, aliases, and applications. While this gives you a comprehensive view, the list can be quite long, which is why get-command provides several parameters to help you filter and narrow down the results to exactly what you need. Get-command offers several useful parameters to help you filter results. The name parameter allows you to search for specific command names or patterns. The module parameter filters commands from a particular module, which is helpful when working with specific PowerShell extensions. The command type parameter lets you filter by the type of command, such as cmdlet, function, or alias. And the verb parameter helps you find commands that start with specific verbs like get or set. These parameters can be combined to create precise searches that quickly find exactly what you are looking for. The name parameter is one of the most commonly used options with get-command. You can use it to search for an exact command name, like get-command-name in quotes get-process. But where it really shines is with wildcard searches. By using asterisks, you can search for patterns. For example, get-command-name *process* will find all commands that contain the word process anywhere in their name. Or you can use get-command-name get ** to find all commands that start with get. This wildcard functionality makes it easy to discover related commands when you only know part of the name. You can also filter commands by their type or the module they belong to. Using get-command type cmdlet will show only cmdlets, excluding functions and aliases. If you want to see commands from a specific module, use get-command module followed by the module name, such as Microsoft.PowerShell.management. This is particularly useful when you have imported multiple modules and want to see what commands a specific module provides. You can also filter for aliases specifically by using get-command type alias, which displays all the shorthand names available in your session. PowerShell cmdlets follow a verb-noun naming convention, and the verb parameter lets you search based on the action part of the command. For example, get-command verb get will show you all commands that start with get, helping you discover all the retrieval operations available. Similarly, get-command verb set will show all commands for setting or modifying values. This approach is extremely useful when you know what action you want to perform, but are not sure which specific cmdlet to use. It groups related operations together, making it easier to find the right tool for your task. Let us recap what we have covered. Get-command is your primary discovery tool for finding all available commands in PowerShell. You can use parameters like name, module, and verb to filter results and find exactly what you need. Wildcard searches with asterisks help you discover patterns and related commands even when you only know part of the name. This cmdlet is essential for exploring what is available in your PowerShell session, whether you are learning the basics or working on advanced scripts. Master get-command, and you will always know what tools are at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.